Hi, my name is Melissa Pinsons, and I'm a registered dietitian. I work for the URI SNAP Education Program. Thank you for joining our lesson today. Today's lesson is presented by the University of Rhode Island Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, Education, URI SNAP Ed. Our topic today is called Think Your Drink. We will explore how much sugar is in different beverages and talk about the different types of sugar. Let's begin by talking about sugar. Sugar is a type of carbohydrate that gives your body energy. There are two types of sugar, natural and added sugar. Natural sugar is the sugar found in fruits and dairy products. The fruit sugar is called fructose, and the milk sugar is called lactose. The natural sugars in these foods are healthy for your body. This is a generic picture of a sugar packet. The sugar packet represents added sugar. Added sugar is found in baked goods, candy, and sugar-sweetened beverages. Too much sugar can lead to dental problems, heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. Here you can see that 1 teaspoon of sugar is equal to 1 sugar packet. The nutrition facts label shows us how many grams of sugar is in a product. The new label also tells us how much added sugar there is. The arrows in this picture point to where this is located in the red box. In this video, we will show you how to calculate the number of sugar packets in a product based on the number of grams of sugar. Let's start with a trivia question. What is the recommended daily limit for sugar for kids, teens, and women? Is it 10 teaspoons of sugar, 8 teaspoons of sugar, or 6 teaspoons of sugar? The correct answer is kids, teens, and women should limit to 6 teaspoons of sugar per day, or about 24 grams. And men should limit to about 9 teaspoons per day, or 36 grams. Can you believe the average American consumes 77 grams of sugar, or 20 sugar packets a day from added sugar in foods and drinks? So how can we cut down on our added sugar amounts each day? Let's focus on our drinks and learn how to choose the healthiest drink options for our body. We can think of our drinks in 3 ways. This handout for adults shows Go, Slow, and Whoa drinks. It is available on our website. Let's go through each category now. Go drinks include 100% fruit juice, plain low-fat milk, water, or unsweetened fortified non-dairy beverages, such as soy or almond milk. These drinks may have no sugar such as water, natural sugar, protein, and vitamins or minerals. We should have these every day. Slow drinks include sports drinks, low-fat flavored milk, and 10% juice options. These drinks have added sugar and some vitamins and minerals, so try to limit these drinks to only having sometimes. Lastly, we have Whoa drinks that include soda, energy drinks, sweetened tea, fountain sodas, and coffee with added cream and sugar. These drinks have mostly added sugar with little or no vitamins and minerals. They are not nutritious and should be limited to once in a while. This handout is also available on our website and is directed for kids. It has an added category of no drinks. These drinks in the no category have warning labels on them and are not safe for children to drink. That includes energy drinks. The last part of our lesson today will show you how to calculate the number of sugar packets in a drink. The nutrition facts label shows us how much added sugar is in our drinks and food. Notice in the image the arrow pointing to where the added sugar is. Here we zoomed in on the directions. The first step is to find the nutrition facts label. Step 2, locate total sugars and find the number of grams. In this example, it has 52 grams. Step 3, Divide the total sugars by 4 because there are 4 grams of sugar in 1 teaspoon of sugar. 52 divided by 4 equals 13, or 13 sugar packets in this product. Continuing from the last slide, there were 52 grams of total sugar in this product. Remember, added sugars are added to drinks to make them sweeter. This drink has 52 grams of total sugars and includes 32 grams of added sugars. 52 minus 32 equals 20 grams of natural sugars. Natural sugars are found in dairy products and fruit. Today's recipe is called Berry Smoothie. This is a go drink that has very little to no added sugar depending on the ingredients you use, and is loaded with nutrients. Let's take a look. Berry Smoothie. For this recipe, you will need a blender. First, add 1 cup of frozen blueberries. Next, 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Then, 1 cup of low-fat vanilla or plain yogurt which has no added sugar. Lastly, add 1 cup of low-fat milk or an alternative milk. Place the lid on the blender and blend until smooth. You can save the extra for another meal or put the extra in a plastic pop holder for a frozen dessert. Keep in mind that store-bought smoothies may have added sugar. Be sure to read the ingredients and the nutrition facts label to be sure. In summary, there are 2 types of sugar, natural and added. Limit how much added sugar we get from food and drinks. Choose Go drinks more often, limit Woe drinks, and drink water as much as we can. Thank you so much for joining our lesson today. If you're looking for more information, please call our toll-free number listed here or check out our website for more recipes and handouts.